Hi, welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about Bissell Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Sanitizing Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer. The link will be in the description. Check it out and see what you think. Here you can see I'm doing the tile, I'm doing the grout in between the tile. I put a liquid dish soap on top of the grout like for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to use a steam mop and handheld steamer. You can see it's taking it out real easily, and I bought it because for this particular use, and as well to clean the floor from the kitchen as well as the bathroom. You can use this really good. I recommend it. The link will be in the description. Check it out and see what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to try my best to answer them. And it does a really good job simply by just adding water. In this I did a 2-step. I did add liquid dish soap on the grout in between the tiles to make it easy, quick, deep clean. I'm just going to speed it up, make it quicker so you can see the results. I'm not done yet, but as you can see, the progress looks very good. It's very effective. Deep cleaning the grout. Good close-up. When the grout is dry, it's actually lighter when it's wet. So I do recommend it. Hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. Don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching.